Hi everyone, here we've got Realme 6i and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So actually all you have to do is simply open the recents, and I hope that you can see this button. It is a 3 bars icon, so let's tap on it, and here we've got all previously opened apps. Of course you can close only one of it if you want to. All you have to do is simply find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you'd like to close all of them, simply tap on close all. We just got back to the homepage, so let's enter the recents again, and here we've got no recent items, so it means that we just successfully closed all background apps. So actually this is it. This is how to close background apps in your Realme 6i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.